Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to fix photo preview not showing in Windows. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open File Explorer and locate the folder containing your video files. At the top of the File Explorer window, click on the See More button represented by 3 dots. From the drop-down menu, select Options. In the Folder Options window that appears, click on the View tab. Look for the option labeled Always Show Icons, Never Thumbnails. Make sure to uncheck this box. Once you have unchecked it, click Apply and then OK. Now, return to your folder and you should be able to see the video previews. This change allows Windows to display thumbnail previews for your video files instead of generic icons, making it easier to identify your videos at a glance. So that's basically how to fix photo preview not showing in Windows. So that's for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one.